Hi, and welcome to Little Crochet Moments. My name is Mary. In this tutorial, we're going to cover the first step in crochet, how to hold the yarn. The way you hold your yarn affects the tension in your stitches. So grab your yarn and let's dive into it. With your dominant hand, place the yarn over your index finger on your non-dominant hand. Let the yarn pass under your middle finger and under your ring finger. Then bring the yarn up between your ring finger and your pinky. You'll use these fingers to guide and control the yarn as you crochet. Another example to hold the yarn is to wrap the yarn around the pinky. So instead of letting the yarn pass between your ring finger and pinky, you can wrap the yarn around your pinky. This extra wrap around the pinky helps create more tension control, which some find easier to manage when crocheting. Try this method if you're looking for a bit more control over your stitches. Now that you've learned how to hold the yarn, let's dig a little deeper into how to control your tension. Proper tension ensures that your stitches come out even and your projects look neat. The trick is to maintain a tension that is not too tight, or it will be hard to the yarn, and not too loose, or your stitches will end up too big. You use your index finger to move the yarn as you crochet, and it will give you more control over your stitches. I hope this helps you find a comfortable method that works for you, and let me know in the comments which yarn holding method you like the most. In the next video, we will dive into the next step on our crochet journey, how to make a slip knot. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you're not already a part of our community.